studying, thinking. Both are complementary. You cannot do studying without thinking. There is no possibility. And today, 95% people are studying without thinking. This is their problem and they don't want to evolve. And if you will not change yourself, write it in your diary. You will never rise. Simply don't mug up the things. You are mugging up. You are not opening your mind. You are crying. You are weeping. Medieval India is not done. Medieval India's video. Avadh does not want you to be a slave of anyone. Avadh wants you to get awakened. My baap, awakened. Jai Hind, friends. See, there are formulas. I've always told you that there are formulas. And if you simply note down that formula, and there are so precious formulas in this world, in your life, if you simply follow those formulas. First formula, kar bhala to ho bhala. If you help others, you will get the help. Very simple formula. Kar bhala to ho bhala. If you are bothered by others, if you take care of others, others will take care of you. For example, I tell you how this formula works. You are doing the preparation. You want to consolidate your subjects. You prepared polity. Now what you did, you took a junior and you made him learn that entire polity. You taught him. You are helping him. But indirectly, if you watch it carefully, you are helping yourself in consolidating the things. Simple. Simple. No one helps others in any way. It's always who you help yourself. You are helping a needy. A person is weeping in front of you, ki, Bhaiya, my mother is ill, my mother is in hospital, Bhaiya. And Bhaiya, I will be very obliged to you, Bhaiya. God will help you. Please give me 10,000. You gave you 10,000. You gave 10,000. That man started giving blessing to you. Now the feeling which you developed, the feeling of happiness, greatness, that secreted a special type of hormone. There is no hormone in this. There is no feeling in this body without hormone. Anger has a hormone. Sex has a hormone. Every feeling has a hormone. That is why it is said ना कि दुआएं बहुत काम करती हैं. First formula. Second formula. There are no permanent friends and no permanent enemies. Only permanent interest. Wonderful formula, wonderful. In nursery class, you don't want to make friendship with a football player, a cricket player. You don't have any interest. Your friendship always depends on your interest. It's a very easy formula. It will save you from unnecessary hatred. Similarly, the third formula, very important. Necessity is the mother of invention. Very important. Mother of invention. So whatever development takes place in science, mathematics, that is not from other world. No. The people who have a conscious mind, they take care about the necessity of the society. You see the present situation. In every period, there is some crucial necessity. In every period, there is some crucial necessity. The conscious minds, they watch that necessity. So many people having four-wheelers today. Commuting is a very big challenge today. going from one place to another. India is a country of big population. Everyone is not able to afford a driver. So I have to go to Hyderabad from Delhi by a plane for 1 week. So I have to go to airport and I don't have a driver. Majority middle class, they have four-wheelers, they don't have drivers. And if I park my car on airport for 1 week, I have to pay 4,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. So now if I get a hired, and that led to the coming of Ola and Uber. Necessity is the mother of invention. You have to see why this development took place in particular period. What was the necessity? Simply don't mug up the things. You are mugging up. You are not opening your mind. You are crying. You are weeping. Medieval India is not done. Medieval India's video. I am not getting Medieval India's video. I will not give Medieval India's video. Hundreds of videos are gone. You are not trying to finish it by yourself. You don't want your mind to evolve. I wanted you to evolve yourself. I never wanted that anyone should take it as a screen recording and sell it in the market. No, you sell it in the market. That is also good. Piracy is a part of the world culture. It's not Indian, world culture. It's a world culture. No one can stop it. And I also don't want to stop. But evolve yourself, learn. If Ola and Uber are coming, why they are coming? What is the background? What is the connection? Similarly, if any development is taking place, science and mathematics, ancient India. Now with this connectivity, see, now this formula was not given there. This concept was not given there. That is why in education it is said, adhyan, studying, manan, thinking. Both are complementary. You cannot do studying without thinking. There is no possibility. And today 95% people are studying without thinking. This is their problem and they don't want to evolve. Because instead of thinking, they want to give the time to WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. And if you will not change yourself, write it in your diary, you will never rise. I have taken the money. I will give you Medieval India's video also. But one thing, write in your diary, you will not rise. Krishna will not fight for Arjun. Arjun has to fight for himself. None of you gave me a message. I would have been very happy. Sir, I have learned, sir. And I have finished Medieval India, sir. I have completed Medieval India, sir. I have completed polity. I have completed economy, sir. I learned what you are telling. I would have been very happy. At least one person. Avadh does not want you to be a slave of anyone. Avadh wants you to get awakened. My baap, awakened. I know this will happen. But some of you, please, try to change yourself. Try to transform yourself.